You know whose children you are. Blue blood. But you must come back early. In that case, young lovers, go out, enjoy yourselves and have fun.
Dikeh, where exactly are you taking her to?
Well, mother, in adventure, the destination is better kept secret.
Don't worry, Mommy. We'll come back soon.
That had better be a natural cough.
Brother, you people should just catch fun. Be happy.
It's alright. I wish you said, Johnny.
Thank you.
Ozonna.
Thank you.
Sorry about this. I believe you are going out.
Yes.
Don't you think I should go with you?
No, don't worry. I'll soon be back. I don't need.
In that case, have a wonderful time, my friend.
Okay, thank you.
So, where are you taking me to?
You'll soon find out.
Where?
Don't worry, you'll soon find out. It's a surprise. But you'll love it. You'll love it.
Are you sure? Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
How do you see them?
Perfect. You know what? They remind me of our little beginning when you used to shake your waist for me.
Ozonna, is there any other thing you're good at except pretentious cough?
No, I think I should be in my room now.
You go, Gala. Cough here, cough there. Continue your coughing there. But Your Majesty, at times I don't understand this your son.
But he takes after you. Or do you want to deny that?
You go,
Your Majesty, we didn't go out with him.
What? They left alone?
Yes, my queen.
Do you mean that Dikeh left this palace unguarded and you didn't deem it fit to let me know about it?
My king, I tried going with him, but he refused.
How?
Just pray that nothing happens to my son. Otherwise, I will teach you the dance step of Surugede. Now, all of you get out of my sight. If I use my temper on you, get out, all of you! Nonsense! Just imagine!
Hey, it's this place. Where are we? Please don't want us. Just let us go, please.
Listen. We are friends. Huh? You have a price tag. 5 million naira each.
You're young people like that. Speak on.
Shut up that your filthy mouth. We are not here to crack jokes. We are dedicated businessmen. This job is our means of livelihood. Okay, fine. We mean no harm, okay? Just relax yourself. Calm down.
You have to take it easy. You don't have to be worked up. I am confident that they will soon come back.
Take it easy, you said. Your Majesty, this is 3 p.m. and you are telling...
Law. We are talking about adults here. And you know how it is. They may decide to extend their adventurous ecstasy. And you're here trying to kill yourself for nothing. Listen, Dikeh is the son of a lion. I am very confident that very soon they will come back. So calm down.
I respect people that respect this business. And it will cost us nothing to waste you people here and go for other potential clients.
Now your freedom depends on how well the parents will cooperate with us. Did you hear me? Now, Prince Dikeh, give me your phone.
Sorry, it will hurt a little. Okay? It will hurt so that it will set properly. Okay? Just relax. Relax. If you want to be fine, relax. Yeah?
Sorry. Ndo.
Don't worry. Sorry, okay?
Dikeh, where are you people now?
It is not Dikeh, your son.
We are agents of survival. You can call us kidnappers if you want.
Kid what? Kidnappers, did you say? Give the phone to my son, will you?
Quiet! Now listen. You can only be a king in your kingdom and not in ours. Are you ready for business?
Tell me, what do you want? What do you want?
Good. We have 2 heads here. 5 million naira each.
Ibre, can I talk to my son, please?
I want to talk to you.
Of course you can. I am a kind fellow.
Father.
Son, what? Where are you?
Father, I do not know. We've been kidnapped. I don't know where they took us to. Just to try your best to cooperate with them and so that we'll be fine.
Now listen! Get the money ready if you want to see your son.
What did they say? Is my son still alive?
They are demanding 5 million naira for each of them, making it a total of 10 million naira. How do they expect me to get that huge amount of
Take this medicine.
Okay.
The liquid one in it. Give it to her every afternoon. The powdered one there.
Okay.
Massage it on her leg morning and evening.
Okay.
Okay? She will be fine.
God bless you, eh? You need some money. Please. You need some money, eh?
No, don't worry. When she's okay, you can come with anything you like. Okay? Let her get well first.
Thank you so much. God bless you, eh?
Bless you.
Thank you.
She'll be fine.
Okay.
Thank you, the baby.
You'll be fine, okay? Sorry.
Please, I beg you, don't hurt me. I promise I will see to your new demand. I will comply. Just, even if there's any other thing, just name it. I will do anything you want. I just want to leave this, please. I want to leave this hell, please. I beg you.
Listen, we are good people. Are we not? not?
That's so it be.
We are nice. Relax yourself. You will enjoy yours. And as you can see, we are giving you the royal treatment that you deserve. Look around you. This is a royal bed.
Yes.
Comfortable place.
Everything royal.
Royalty.
So relax.
What? If you fail to do exactly as we demand, Rob, my guy, tell her exactly what will happen to her. Yellow Popo. It be like say them to talk say we be bad people. But we know say we be philanthropists. We dey do good now, helping people. But if your people fail to do our bidding, if they refuse to comply, if in an hour's time we don't get our demand, you are...
Father, what should we do now?
I suggest we go to the police.
They warn that involving the police in this matter will cost them their lives. I have informed Michael, my accounts manager, to get the money ready. Pending the address they will give to us.
Your Majesty, 10 million naira is a big amount of money.
Yes. But it is nothing compared to what we stand to lose. Should Queen Rebecca get to know about her daughter's predicament?
You will please call his number again, please.
His phone is switched off.
Hey!
There is no doubt
I want more.
my enemies are at work.
The thing they sweet me, as the parent of our victims, they talk, they shake. Please, don't harm my son, no. Please don't harm my children, no. Have they eaten? Are they all right?
Rush! My nigga. You know I'm very enlightened. I am well exposed. Now listen. I have it all mapped out. Now that the Igwe has agreed to pay the 10 million naira, I will increase it to 20 million. That is 10 million per head.
20 million naira. But wetin I dey suggest be say make we collect this 10 million naira wey dem wan send. Make we no lose this money. You know say I don't promise my babe. Say I go buy car for am on the day of her birthday. Nah, I no get time again. No. I no get enough time again. Make we collect this money.
Guy, no they rush me. Rush! No. rush, no they rush me. Like I said, I have it all mapped out. So relax yourself. You and this your babe self. Eh? Better marry that babe. Oh. May we know say you don't turn to pale. Now listen. Trust me, boy. I know what I'm doing. What? No harm in trial. Azar! Why your face can't be like this now? Yeah.
When are you giving me the money?
Relax now. I've told you before. And as you can see, I have a fish in my net. Very soon, I am going to shower you with real cash. So calm down.
Okay, but you just need to be fast about it. You know, I need the money. I've been waiting for that money for a very long time. I know that I need to fix my nails, I need to make my hair, I need to change my phone. I want to buy this latest iPhone 11. I need to change my wardrobe. There are a lot of things I need to do.
One day, now, what's up now? I don't tire for this babe. Since when we come out that babe, go put her for her own room. That's how she knows when we can hear war. That's why she does just shout everywhere. Oh, please, don't keep me alone. I want to go back to the prince. Don't separate us. Who tell them say that they speak for this kind of place? She the grace? You the grace? Now you start this business. I mean, you don't know as our clients they behave for you. Now the identity now, they need to shout. They need to express themselves. Don't try this nonsense again, I beg you. I dare you to discuss something where they're very important with my baby. They come they no matter where they hear every day. Eh?
You know me, oh. The thing wey make I dey talk this thing be say my body dey itch me. Sometimes my hand dey scratch me. Make I no go forget bullet for her brain, oh. I know say me I dey craze sometimes. I don't even know myself, oh.
Guy, you won't shoot my money. Eh? I mean, you don't forget say that girl na my money. If you shoot her now, she die. Wait till we go carry flex. No, what if my baby go use fix her nails? Guy, relax. Na small like I'm okay. It's not the bad. No the badger like this. Come they disturb me. Eh? I'm about, you know. No one. Enjoy. No one.
My dear, I even forgot to tell you. Do you know that all through the night the queen was weeping? Eh? And then she didn't even eat her food. The food was untouched till this morning.
Ewo, I feel for her.
The disappearance of the prince is really telling on how. The thing is bothering her badly. I wish there was anything I could do to help.
It will hurt a little.
Just go on. I'm a man. I can enjoy it. Just go on. Do whatever you want to do.
How did you locate me here all the way from Lagos? I don't have a signpost.
But my mother told me you cured her of her high blood pressure.
Wrong. I didn't cure her. God did. Sorry. Just...
Hi.
Remove your singlet and lie down here. You are a man. You said you are a man.
Yes, I'm a man, I know. Aye. It's hurting me.
Sorry.
Is this hell or what?
Sorry.
Huh?
Stretch your hand.
Oh dear. Easy. The pain is unbearable, please. Just take it easy. Take it easy, please. Oh dear. Ay.
Are you mad? Did I ask you to bring water for me? Or have I now become a fish?
I'm sorry, Ma. It's just that I was thinking you will need water to drink. That's why I brought it.
Just that what? Are you insane?
Sorry, Ma.
Get out!
What do I tell Queen Rebecca about her daughter? It will not go down well with her. Why now that the two families are about to unite in the tightest of all bonds? I have to get them this money as quick as possible.
So my son actually slept at that whatever place they are keeping them. My own son. Why did I let them go out in the first place? I should have stopped them. What do I do now? What do I do now?
Take this substance. Okay. Apply it the way I instructed you.
Alright. I will. Thank you very much. I'm so grateful.
All thanks to God. Right. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You'll be fine, okay?
Yes. I'm already fine.
Okay.
Okay,
bye. I can see you are now okay.
I'm very much okay now. All thanks to you.
No, all glory be to God.
I know. See, Dikeh, I came to show you appreciation. You really tried for me. I brought this coat for you to show you my appreciation. Please do not reject it.
You shouldn't have bothered yourself. Thank you. May God bless you.
Wait, take on me.
Just like it.
Okay, here.
Yes. God bless you.
Everybody go. I should tie it here.
Yes.
This one that you are staying alone. I don't know. Is there anything I will help you with?
No.
Serious?
No, don't bother yourself.
Okay, no problem. I will be going. In case if you need anything, like anything that you can do, just think about
Ngozi, what is it? Why are you unhappy? Talk to us now. Are you sick?
Oh, I see. Putting that vendetta. I just don't understand. Why does the queen treat me with so much hatred? If I did anything to her, why can't she tell me rather than treat me like this? Eh? And it's making me emotionally deranged.
Hate you? The queen I know is a nice person and she's good to us.
You don't get it. Okay, some minutes ago she was sitting at the entrance. I saw her looking sad and really depressed. So I said to take water to her. Maybe if she drinks the water, she will calm down now. Only for me to present the water, you needed to have been there to have heard the kind of abusive words she rained on me. She not just that. She finished insulting me and ended walking me out of her presence. What did I do? Is that not hatred? What will you call it?
Oh, that? You of all people should know that the queen is going through a lot. Especially now that the prince and his new wife are missing.
That's not it. She just hates me. From the way she treats me, I can see it clearly. Every time she sees me, she's rather feeling irritated at my presence. Why?
Please, you have to get over it. Let's go and continue what we are doing.
I'm not going anywhere. People should just leave me alone. Let me stay here and wallow in self-pity. I don't want to do anything. I'm not in the mood. Before she will see me and feel irritated and start shouting again. Do I even irritate her?
Now what thing you dey here they do? So now because of you, now you make my own guy they quarrel me, they talk to me anyhow. Because of this thing. Now you can't dey here, can't dey show face. You want me to enter you? You dey mad?
You can't do anything.
See you.
You can't do anything. Is it my fault for him to love you? He doesn't love you, it's me that he loves.
See this one, see this cockroach. You just open mouth, they talk to me. You know me?
Me?
You know what's in that be? You know what's in that be?
Who are you?
I go heal this your toto.
You can't do anything.
You say what?
You will not do anything.
You say what?
What is the meaning of this rubbish?
Leave me! Rush!
Mother, you are here.
What's up now? I am finished.
No, Mother, don't say that. I have told you that once there is life, there is hope. Please calm down. My brother will be back. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Hello? Obidike Wam.
It is not Obidike, your son. It is Amodike. I can see that you and your husband are trying to play pranks on us. But don't you worry. Soon, we are going to send the hopeless corpses of your son and the wife.
No! 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 No, please. Please don't be angry. We're actually working on gathering the money, please. Please don't hurt them, please.
Now listen. Because I am a man of God, I am going to give you and your hopeless husband until the next 3 hours. Get the 20 million naira ready. I will give you direction on how to go about it. Remember, do not involve the police unless you are ready for their burial. I repeat, 3 hours, and your time starts now. Babe, what's up now? Why your face come there like this now, waiting to happen?
You suppose know wetin dey vex me. You suppose know say I joined this business, this better business, because I love you. I love you because I want at the end of everything, make it be say we be husband and wife. We know each other. Now business where you sabi, where you initiate me, I can't join you. I can't sabi and they do am well. You can't carry that cockroach. Where can't they flash teeth they give everybody here? Can't they distract you? See, make I tell you. I go expose you. Bata, both of us will go die. Everybody go die. Everybody go just spy. Make that girl know they come here, they flash teeth, they give everybody a scatter game. I love you and I want to marry you. I want to marry you. If I see that cockroach here again, I go harm man. It's too small.
You mad? You mad? Wait till you just talk down. Now listen to me. I want you to concentrate on this business. What have I not done for you? Huh? I know exactly where I picked you. Just look at yourself. Look at yourself! You can now wear good clothes. You can now eat good food. I want you, like I said, to concentrate on your business. Now go back to your duty. Out! No. What is it?
Even they called me. They called me with so many cases.
What did they say?
We were given 3 hours to get the body ready. Else we received their corpses.
No. Please. You have to calm down. If only for my sake. I informed Michael's manager, to get another 10 million naira ready. And he assured me that he will get back to me as soon as possible. So, calm down. It's all right.
Yes, it's better
50 CL.
Yes.
They're okay now. Get a drink and go home now. So, my man. Now the item is this. Pack.
Now their food be this? Royal food?
Exactly. Just pack and go give them. What they worry you now? Are they pack?
Where did you say my daughter is? She told me she was going out with Prince Dikeh, but she has not come back since yesterday. My queen, they are...
Out of town. Yes, they traveled out of town. Though they did not inform you about it, the fact remains that they traveled out.
I see. I was worried, you know. She left without her cell phone. If not, I wouldn't have bothered coming. You know, the children of these days, so unpredictable. Yes, my dear. We did it in our time to chastise them. But still, we did it.
My love, are you going to eat this? This trash?
Food is not my problem right now. I need us to leave this place alive. I need my parents to pay the ransom so we can get out of here.
Are you kidding me? Wait, were you actually expecting them to pay the ransom? Come on, Fitz, baby. That would be so despicable. There is no way we will let them have the ransom. No.
Are you listening to yourself?
I am. I am so listening to myself.
My love, no amount of money can buy human life. Never. If they want 5 million naira, let the money be given to them. Even if they want more, let them take it and leave us so we can go.
I've made arrangements for his suitable wedding gowns from London. Yes. Dikeh should send me his size so I can get him some befitting nice suits.
Wow. That would be nice.
It will not be out of place if we call it London wedding.
You ought to know whose daughter is getting married. I will show the whole world the difference between the footprint of a lioness and that of an earl.
You're on point, the Queen. Very correct. I love that.
Ozana, order the maids to get something for the Queen.
Oh, no. Don't bother, Lolo. I'm okay. I'm good.
She says so.
No matter what happens.
I will never leave you. Come rain, come sun. Together we shall pull through this. I promise. Thank you. About Dikeh? Are you sure he's good enough to be the father of my grandchildren? Mother, I am very sure of Dikeh. I mean, he is young and handsome. Besides, I love him. My daughter, I'm not saying you shouldn't love him. All I'm saying is that you shouldn't be so stupid to love a man more than yourself. And what do you mean by that, Mother? What I mean is that you must take strict consideration to your life, welfare and safety more than any other person in this whole world wide. Where is this driver?
My Queen. Sorry, my Queen. It was Chief Okeke that was delaying. Even the drink there, I didn't look at them. I delivered the message straight.
Move the car!
No, I can't believe you the patient more than me. No! Somebody help me! No! Quiet! Shut your trap!
Now listen. No matter how much you scream, you will never be heard. So you keep your cool and think about your end here. Do I make myself clear? Do you understand me?
No. I have a suggestion, please.
Vomit it.
Please, I want to go. I want to go. If I go, I'll be able to make them bring the money and then you can release the brains. I want to leave this place, please. I'm tired of staying here. I beg you, please. Please. Please.
Now listen to me. I want you to understand that in this business, there is no provision for special advisor. So you shut your trap. Don't dare me. Don't dare me!
Ozana, you have no right to do what I asked you not to do. If you had considered the precariousness of the situation, you wouldn't dare.
I'm so sorry, Father. I just wanted to... I'm so sorry. So how do we get them out now?
2 hours have gone. And we are left with only an hour. An hour, Igwe.
Lolo, I believe that by now, Michael should be ready with the money. Let me call him at once.
Jack, that babe, I like her suggestion. Instead of keeping both of them together, it's better we release the girl so she will go kukuma go and reach the money and come back.
Aha. Aha. Huh? Mini, I talk am say this your baby sense dey there. Your baby no be for nothing. Jack, make I tell you now, we will leave this girl, make she go. Make the fee bring this money. We no get another shop. This one our own OP worker. I been no part of the yarn. How you take Siam?
Mini.
Rush.
Bro.
I dey here.
Why you not the yarn no pata? That girl dey smart. Una no say that girl dey smart. Why she go tell una this kind thing una go believe her? Una dey fall my hand, yapata.
Rush. My guy. Make you rush my brain. What do you suggest we do?
This one a better question. See, it better make we kill the princess. Make we kill princess, carrying dead body, go keep am for them people. When them see the dead body, them go bring the money sharply. We feel release this girl now. She go out there, go carry a kerebe, come here. Anya bruzi aife baraba. Jack. It be like say you never understand the thing where the yama me now. I tell you say my girlfriend birthday na tomorrow. The car why I promise am say I go buy am. I never buy am. I never buy the car. All the things where we don't program say we go buy for the birthday, where we go take arrange am. We never buy anything. Now, the 3 hours where we tell these people don't pass. What do you want make I do now?
Guy, relax. Rush, no the rush person. Calm down. What they worry you? Now me dey in charge here. See, make I tell you. I don't tell the prince say I don't kill that in girlfriend. Yes. So now you go make them arrange the money fast. Yeah? And I don't tell their parents. See, I don't give them 1 hour extra to arrange that money. So relax yourself. I have it all mapped out. Yeah? Let me be a master planner here. You don't need to worry yourself, okay?
Nah, that thing we talk now, and I can tell you and do what I tell you.
Your Highness, when a river flows up a mountain, even the gods wonder why.
Oh no, you are correct.
Igwe, last night in my dream, I saw a group of mice feed on an eagle.
What? You can't say that.
Igwe, you and I know that eagle represent royalty, so I came to find out if all is well in the palace.
Oh no, your thoughtfulness is highly touching. I am grateful.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Well, everything is okay. Everybody is fine.
No, you're welcome. Igwe.
We don't have more time.
Dad, make sure that you take good care of I will be right back.
It's all right.
Oh no, what do I get for you?
You know the usual bottle of wine I normally like and bushmeat to go with it.
Hila, please help me. Please help me heal my wife for Amamuko here. Man, this morning, please. I will be like here. Come to jail. Please. Let go. Touch me. I'll no go.
Oh, please. Poison.
Eh?
Your wife has been poisoned.
Who? Poison? Eh? Why would anyone poison my wife? Eh? Why would anyone poison my wife's food? Eh?
It was not through her food. It was spiritually projected.
Huh? Spiritually projected?
Yes.
How?
It will require only a spiritual process to save her life.
Oh, Hila, please, because give her something. Just do mix anything. Give her something to vomit the poison. I don't want to lose my wife. She's the mother of my only child. Because, please help me. Oh, I go back here. Oh, please, because.
Lolo, why are you still there wasting time? We don't have time. Time is up.
Princess, is this you? Yes. It's me, my friend. What about Dikeh? Where is he?
Dikeh refused to come with me. He chose to die. I told him, I said everything possible to make him follow me, but he refused.
How did you manage to come out? Did your mother consent to their condition?
No.
Does she know about it?
No. She doesn't.
So how did you come back?
I managed to convince them that I could bring the ransom if only they can allow me go. That was the only way they accepted to release me.
Chukwu okike bịa nyere enu m aka. Chukwu bịa nyere enu m aka. Chukwu okike bịa nyere enu m aka. bịa nyere m aka ọkwa gị kpọrọ m oku a dube m na-akpọ gị o bịa nyere m aka Chukwu okike bịa nyere m aka ọkwa gị kpọrọ m ọrụ a o Chukwu okike bịa nyere m aka o bịa nyere m aka bịa nyere m aka oge akara aka eruo Chukwu okike bịa nyere m aka oge akara aka eruo bịa nyere m aka. She is free now. She should be careful with her neighbors in the marketplace.
Hila, please. Tell me who poisoned my wife. Tell me. Let me deal with the person. Okay,
the one who claims to love her the most poisoned her. That's all I can say for now.
People are so wicked.
The snake is dead. Give her some water. Let me rush to the bush and get some special herbs for her. You know she has lost a lot of strength. I will be right back.
Prince Obidika, you have to behave yourself so that your parents will do our bidding and you will leave this place unharmed. But if you try to act otherwise, I will make this place your grave. It is not Obidike. Where is the princess?
Yes, no. Yes, it's the princess.
Adako. I am here. I have the money. It is right here with me. 20 million naira. I have it. Yes.
Now give the phone to the king. Hello. Get the 20 million naira ready and bring it to Mbudi Junction, Delta State.
That far?
You think we are joking here? You think we are joking here?
What is it in that?
That was a good shot.
I can't believe that Prince Obidike is no more.
The mood at the palace is grief.
I had to leave the palace because I couldn't stand the queen's tears.
No matter what, we must return and continue our duties. We must return.
Yeah, that would be when the monarchs must have gone, because if I should go back there right now, I will break down again. What a tragedy. This is a pure stroke in the camel's back.
Prince Obidike.
have you thought about it?
I need some time. I really need more time to think about this, please. Try and understand.
Well, you know I've always been in the picture. I have always been in the picture. I don't know what you have with this prince of a guy.
I know.
Eh?
I know. And I don't hate you either. I do not hate you. I just need you to give me more time. Please. I beg you.
Honestly, this doesn't sound well for me. It doesn't. But anyway, you said you need more time.
Yeah.
That you will get. Alright? For now, let's just go and maybe swim. The weather is hot. You know?
Swim?
Yes.
My daughter, Mommy, I want us to have heart-to-heart talk.
Okay, Mom. I'm all ears.
Good. Since Prince Dikeh is no more, what do you intend doing next?
Mother, I wanted to tell you that
Go on.
Go on. Mother, I have to move on with my life. I mean, it is not my fault that Dikeh is dead. He caused it. After all, he was the one that insisted that we embark on that adventure. I can't keep mourning him, please. Just have to move on.
My daughter, I am not against your decision. All I want is your happiness. Yes, your happiness. You know I am the only parent you have. As such, your happiness takes priority.
Thank you, Mommy. I want to return to my room now. Can I go?
Oh, yeah, we can.
Thank you.
Please tell the driver to get ready. I want to go and see how the workers are doing.
Okay.
Right away.
Okay, I'll tell him.
Your Majesty, there's a difference between the cry of an eagle and that of a vulture. Huh? Do I need to remind you that we have a custom? You and I know that a royal corpse does not stay more than 21 days without burial.
Oh no. In the midst of thorns, there are scars.
Igwe, I condone with you. And on behalf of all the royal council chiefs, we are really sorry for what happened. But you know our custom. Igwe, we have 3 days to conduct the burial of the prince, with or without his body. Else, calamity will befall the land.
See, the last time I visited Dubai, something crazy happened. Like, this guy insisted on smoking on board the flight. I was like, man, does such people do exist in this world?
Is it crazy or something?
No.
That's addiction. Addiction
to smoke
is so
dead.
bad.
It was that crazy. Oh my God. I looked at him, I said, wow.
That's what a similar commotion happened the last time I was on my way to South Africa, you know. This guy was deported. And then he refused to come back from the flight. You know, they were trying to drag him.
No, I didn't hear that.
The whole drama.
I didn't hear that.
It was such a drama. Everybody it was so noisy that I was having, you know, migraine. And I was like, nigga, can you come down and let just go? Are you
serious?
I gave up. I gave up. You know, I understand how you feel, so, but he has to still step down.
Yeah.
You know? Wow. One of those days.
It is.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Hey.
What is it? What are you doing?
Adako, you know I love you. Hey, come on, please. Will you marry me? Please. Please.
Yes.
You marry me? Are you serious?
Oh my God!
Will you marry me?
earliest tomorrow, Ezemo will come and conduct the burial of the prince. Me too, that is brother. My brother, that is the sad reality. The Ezemo said that if it is not done that way, calamity will befall this land. May the gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Oh, what a tragedy.
Dikeh. So it is true. You mean you came back all this while? You never bothered to ask about me?
Who are you? Do I know you?
Are you kidding me?
Have we met before?
This is Adak, your wife to be. What are you saying? Wait. Don't tell me you're pretending not to know who I am because of that bush girl.
Enough! Call her a bush girl one more time and you'll see a side of me you've never seen all your life.
Ah. And you also screaming at me because of that thing.
And I'll scream at you again and again and again. What happened in there? Huh? Let me remind you, what happened in there? You promised me you will never leave me, right? But you left. You left me in there to die. And you ran away with another man.
No way. Was that what they told you?
That's exactly what happened.
That's not true.
That is what happened.
I did not leave you for any man. I never left. I am still here for you.
Leave my house now.
So what happened?
Get out of my house. Do not touch me again. Get out of my house. Get out!